Alright, hello. I've got a rear rack battery off a, it's like a Spanish bike. The brand is an ORUS, O-R-U-S. It's a 36 volt, 7.8 amp hour battery pack. Rack battery. It's doing odd things, so he says we've got lights here, but we've only got 2.5 volts out of the output. So I thought we'll pop it open. It looks to be Torx 10. Not security Torx, just regular Torx. Screws around the outside. That one's a security Torx. Interesting. 2, 3, 4. Okay, they are security Torx. With a little pin in the middle of the Torx head. Which means you'll need a Torx bit like this one with the hole in the end like that. To undo the screws. Should be a lot of them. Six of them are out. One stuck there and one stuck here. 7. There's one more up here. There it goes. So one more time with the security Torx, they are bits like that. Alright. I'm assuming we're going to have a dead cell group. It's off and away. Let's try and cut the sticker. It's going to be easiest. And again, cut the sticker. One more with the warranty. I am the warranty. Okay. And I'm just going to mark the connectors here because sometimes they can go up either way. Right, let's see. There it goes. There's glue holding it down and just a little pack down the middle there. This looks like it's probably coming off the charge port. The you can't see. Bear with. Move you around. It's probably coming off the charge port. This. That's why it's showing power when the rest of the pack isn't. I can scoop this out of the case. The screwdriver is absolutely 100% definitely not made of metal. It's a special screwdriver that's just not got any metal in it. Well, okay. There is a fuse. I've just now seen the fuse. Is the fuse blown? We should have checked that before, shouldn't I? Fuse looks perfectly intact. Okay, well, let's cut this open and have a look inside, shall we? Samsung cells in there. Let's see what horrors Oh wait. Take all this silicone. Okay, bit of freedom. Okay, so this here is the charge port, I believe. This one's the indicator, which is in the LED port, so there's that. And these look like the balance leads, and then we've got our power on-off switch here, which goes down to one of these connectors. Apologise for the noise, it's raining outside and you can probably hear that. Let's see what these balance leads say. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cables, so the negative is probably and the positive won't be connected there. Let's see what our cell voltages say. So we've got our battery negative there to the next group, showing 4.1 volts, great. Let's keep going through them. 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, and then from here to our battery positive, which will be somewhere hopefully near a big red cable. That'll do it. 4.1. So it looks as though the BMS is actually what's at fault here, not the battery pack itself, which is great news for the customer. Let's pop this back in, see if that sort of reset the pack. There. So we've got on our output again. 1.9 volts, 1.8. A bit like the switch isn't doing a whole lot now. We could check that. Just have to find the bugger underneath here somewhere. These are the switch wires here. Goes. There were the two middle cables there. Let's have a look in continuity mode and see. So they beep when they're touching. No beeps. Beeping. So the switch there was working. It just looks as though the BMS has ceased functioning, shall we say. Cells all look to be alright, but not a lot going on there. If we plug in a charger, 36 volts, so just a normal charger will do. Does charge, and on the output we get still nothing. Alright, let's see, from the negative, which is this one here, to the positive terminal, which will be somewhere underneath this mass of silicon. Somewhere. Oh, there it goes. All the way down there. .8 volts again. It's definitely not the fuse. We go from there to here. There you go. Across the battery terminals we get 41.52. So, bad BMS. Get that sorted for the customer. Thanks for watching.